You have to do. Excuse me, sir.
No.
Tissues?
Alright, wait a minute. Come here.
Oh, that's what I meant.
Here.
Letter 2 would be...
Alright, Danielle, would you sit down, please? Danielle, sit down. Jackie, sit down. Alright, sit down, please. Hey! Get off there now. I'm not going to tell you again. Get off the chair and sit in your seat. Alright, now be careful you don't have anybody's clothes or anything. This is industrial strength. Don't get Danielle, seated, please. Sit down, please. I want you filling out this right now.
Someone needs to wipe down.
I'm not kidding. Sit down, put it away, please. Danielle, would you like to go to the office, shut it off, and get going on that paper, please?
Oh, this is clashing. Just for one time.
I'm gonna
Say you're
take
giving
it
me
away.
address. Say you're giving me address.